Hi everyone. In this video, we will see how to add a plugins in your Octoperf script. So if you want to add a parallel controller, or if you want to add WebSocket, or if you want to add any other sample which is downloaded by your plugin manager in JMeter, but how to get that plugin manager in your Octoperf, into your Octoperf. So by default, Octoperf will not provide any of the dependency sampler, plugin samplers to be downloaded in your Octoperf. So for that, what we need to do, first we need to download that the plugin in our local. You need to download that plugin in your local, and then you need to upload into your Octoperf to your project. Then you can copy that sampler to script. So let's do a simple sampler here. Let's take a simple parallel controller or any other sampler which you can use of. We'll take that. JMeter is loading. Just starting the JMeter. So we'll take a plugin manager of parallel controller, which will allow us to do a parallel request for our in our request. So I'm adding a parallel controller here, parallel HTTP request. So in this HTTP request, so I don't have anything now. Just saving a script with the GC parallel HTTP request in bin. So just I'll come out of the. I'm saving it in Apache JMeter. So it was saved now. Now, if you want to now before adding your script, you need to export to JMeter script here. Uh, Keep static resources. Just I don't want to change any feature. Just I'm using basic feature. I have a request here, script here. So I'm dragging and dropping here. So it was uploaded and upload resources. So I don't have any upload resources. We have done. So now you can see the difference between normal sampler and this thing. So you can copy your action, and go to design and your projects, basically your projects. Open your respective script where you want to add it. Just paste here. You will get on the paste option, paste action. So you got the parallel control. Now your parallel control came into your request. So if you want to add it, you can add a parallel request into your add a get request here. Just I'm adding a get request, another get request. Yeah, now I got two get requests here. Now I am putting those things in my parallel controller. So yeah, this is how we need to use it. So we can see the difference. By default, Octoperf will not give your plugin sampler. So to get that plugin sampler, you can download the plugin manager in your local, get the required plugin what you need, and you can upload the script into Octoperf. From the script, you can copy your sampler from script to script in the same window. So if you copy here and if you're trying in another window, that will not work. So the copying script and navigating to the other script from the same window will work. So this is how we can use a new plugin. You can install a new plugin into your JMeter, in your Octoperf using a JMeter. Thanks for listening this.